In this particular video, I'm going to show what is the need of a website for a business. So if you have a business, then why you need a website, you should know about this thing. So the first thing is, this is your online presence. It means if you want to promote your products or services online, then you should go with a website, because this is the one of the best way to make your online presence. So this is the first point, and second point is easy way to explain about your products and services. If you have a website, then you can list your all the products and all the services in your website. And if somebody goes to your website, and they can have all the information about the product and services. And you can write everything about your products and services with eye catchy quotations, and with a very good impressive way. So you can uh, explain your about your products and services in your website. And the third thing is impressive way to promote your business. This is the one of the impressive way, because everybody goes today, everybody want to go on internet and search for a particular product and services. So they, if they will go on the web and they will not get your website, or not get your online presence on the web, then they will not trust on you, and they can't use your products and services. This is the one of the glitch of if you are doing offline business. So you should go with online business, and you should create a website. And the fourth point is, you can get clients online. As I discussed before, that everybody goes to web and search for a particular products and services. If somebody goes on web, and they will not get the right information, or they will not get your business at on web, they will not use your they will not be your clients, or they will not be your customers. So example, for example, if we take an example, let's say makeup artist. If we talk about a makeup artist in Delhi, so if somebody want to use their service, they will go on Google and search for a best makeup artist in Delhi. And if they got some results, and if they got your website or your online presence there, then they will use your services, and you will get a high quality clients. So this is the one of the way to get your clients or get your customer. And the fifth point is track your audience. You can track your audience, and you can remarket them. So this is the one of the best way to remarket your audience. You can do Facebook ads, you can do Instagram ads with remarketing ads. And the seventh is, this is not expensive. So if you want to create a website, this is not too much expensive as compared to your other expenses for your business. So you must create a website for your business. So I hope you got information about this topic, that why need a website for a business. So if you need a website for your business, and if you don't have any web developer, or you don't know about how to create website, you can directly contact me. I can create a beautiful website for you. And this will be not too much expensive. So I hope you got information about this. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for listening me. I hope you got all the information. So we will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.